Native Americans make up 9% of South Dakota's population.
But according to data from Johns Hopkins Coronavirus Resource Center, they account for 14% of cases and deaths in the state. This week, 2 state legislators asked Governor Kristi Noem to implement a statewide mask mandate. Austin Goss has our top story tonight from the Dakota News Now.
Native American reservations have done everything they can to combat the spread of the coronavirus.
We have a mask mandate and we have a curfew. Our stores close at 8 p.m. and then nobody except for essential workers or if you had to go to the hospital is to be out past 10 p.m.
However, tribal leaders argue the state of South Dakota has not done its part. That's why State Representative Perry Poirier and Senator Red Dawn Foster sent a letter to Governor Noem this week, imploring her to implement a statewide mask mandate.
The letter was one of many ways that we tried and plan on addressing COVID in South Dakota.
Both legislators argue the restrictions implemented on the reservations are meager if nothing is done to prevent the spread off the reservation. But a spokesperson for the governor indicated Wednesday afternoon there was no change in the governor's position on a mask mandate. It isn't just the health effects from COVID that contribute to the high number of cases among Native Americans. According to the CDC, Native Americans have a higher rate of chronic diseases that leave them more susceptible to the coronavirus.
High poverty rates, our health disparities are through the roof. We do not have an independent health food system. So these compound factors make, a pandemic just, you're literally facing death.
Native American leaders believe the only way through this pandemic is a coordinated response with the state of South Dakota. In the Peer Newsroom, Austin Goss, Dakota News Now.